talk a few things about trading. This is the break and retest strategy. This is by far my favorite strategy in the game. And if you want to lose weight, it's more than just doing cardio. It has a little bit of a cup and handle here. You guys can see this is the cup, this is the handle. Good morning, my fellow traders. It's the weekend. It's Saturday. Time is currently 9:47 a.m. October 19th. Today on the agenda, we're gonna go hit the gym right now. Take you guys along with me as well. And guys, check this out. We now have 19 members, including me. And somebody asked what's the trade ideas for tomorrow or what's the plan for Monday. So we're gonna go live in the voice chat as well and just go over what trades we're seeing. So I'm gonna pop up the laptop, open up the charts and see what's going on for Monday, see what the weekly looking like, as well as the fundamental news. So I gotta post the market watch news. I'll show you guys where I get that at as well for my economic news reports, as well as I gotta post the earning reports in the premium Discord. I post both of those reports in the premium Discord, but in the free chat, I'm not really gonna do that because I'm pretty sure, you know, maybe they don't really care about it like that. But guys, we're now at 515 subscribers. Let's keep going, guys. I appreciate you guys. I woke up to 15 subscribers overnight. Vlog doing okay. You guys need to check that last one out as well. But these shorts, man, these shorts are going wild. So I appreciate you guys following me. YouTube is going nicely. 515 subscribers. Hit a milestone yesterday. Now we're above it. And our TikTok, we have 3965. I think we had like 3950 not that long ago. So we got to keep pushing these numbers up. I got a lot to post today. Instagram, we finally have 225, and some of these are doing pretty decent. You guys can see this one has 175, but the other two are doing okay. I got a lot to actually post. I'll show you guys. So I still have a lot of these videos to post. I think I barely stopped at, like, to be honest, right here. So I still have tons more to drop on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. That's all I'm gonna do today. But let's head on out to the gym, guys. Let's go. Bruh. Damn, man. So at one point I was 180, 182-ish on the high end. But guys, mind you, I used to be 160 with no muscles, not working out, just 160 flat, skinny boy. Now I went all the way up to 180, so I gained 20 pounds from eating just a whole bunch of snacks. I'm talking about eating chips with every single dinner, hot Cheetos, hot fries, you name it, Doritos and popcorn every single night. Even some tubs of ice cream like I just had last night. But now I'm 173 when I wake up, 172-ish when I wake up. So I lost 7 to 8 pounds. And the way I did it was counting my calories, because if you overeat, that's how you gain weight, when you overeat. It's honestly crazy how much calories are in a specific snack or meal. I mean, just eating 7 crackers of those saltine crackers, which are my favorite, just eating 5 of them is 70 calories. If you have the whole pack like I used to have it, it's probably over 300, 400, just that alone. Now, eating a bag of hot Cheetos, I'm talking about I used to eat the family or party size, just me and my girlfriend snacking it back and forth. Bro, that shit's over 2,000 calories if you eat the whole bag. And sometimes when my girlfriend's gone on like a little trip or something, I would practically eat the whole bag in a day and a half or a full day, to be honest, just snacking on it all day. So it's really important to make sure your nutrition's on point. That's the only way you really lose weight. So I lost 8 pounds just from making sure my nutrition's on point and lifting weights. Because what I learned is this, guys, if you want to lose weight, it's more than just doing cardio. I used to think that, okay, I'll just run like 30 minutes. I'll run 30 minutes, 4 miles, then I'll lose weight every day if I just run like that every day. But that's actually not the truth. You got to eat in a calorie deficit, meaning you got to eat less calories than you're supposed to, which for me, my goal is 2,300, but I even eat less than that a day. Besides yesterday, I ain't gonna lie, I went over. And on top of that, if you lift weights, guys, if you lift weights, when your body becomes sore, this is what I learned. When your body becomes sore and you lift heavy weights and you're eating a good nutrition and a low calorie deficit, all the food that you're eating goes straight into building back up your muscles. If you're sore, especially, and you feel really, you know, your muscles need to repair themselves, if you eat something, it's gonna go straight to your muscles. Unlike running, when you just run, you're just burning calories and that's it. You're just burning calories. But when you lift heavy weights, you're consistently burning calories as well. Even when you come home and you eat something, it's gonna burn calories and burn what you ate to go into replenish your muscles. So that's what I learned, guys, and that's what's been helping me as well. So that's a little gym tip and a little workout plus nutrition calorie tip if you guys want one. But we're gonna go hit the gym, come back, get on the charts as well, chart up for the gang, show them what we're talking about, and then on Sunday we're gonna go live with them. So if you guys want to join the free Discord, you guys have one full day before we go live tomorrow around, like, I don't know, 1 p.m 5 p.m and share all of our trade ideas. So guys, get in today, click the link in my bio. I have a free server on my website. Go on my website and just click free server and you'll join the Discord, guys. We have now 18 people in there, so I appreciate everybody that's recently joined. Shout out to JJ, and let's get on with our day. It's still real early in the morning, barely 10 a.m. We are gonna go grocery shopping today, but before we go grocery shopping, we're gonna go on the charts and share our ideas. So let's get it, guys. Let's head on out. Let's get this shit going. Dang, it's kind of packed, and I should have came real early in the morning. I'm not even gonna lie, I just wasn't ready. Slept a little bit late, woke up randomly, take a shit at 2 a.m. Just finished, a little less than an hour at the gym. Listening to some Luke Belmar, Guide to Making Money. You ain't compared us. Worst off, we want to see you worst off. It's that time, cigar time, before I shower. Guys, my plants, I got jalapenos and tomatoes growing. It's trying to sprout here. So soon there should be a tomato growing off one of these holes. They're getting big. After the gym. Posting some content, watching some Elon. About to chart up and talk to the gang on the Discord, post some ideas. Okay, so let's talk trading, guys. Let's talk a few things about trading. I found the trade setups that I'll be trading, which is Google, and I'll be watching SPY for this cup and handle break, but the 4-hour RSI does look like a bearish divergence, but so far, Google looks pretty solid, man, on the weekly, daily, and I'll show you guys here. So Google looks real interesting. I found this level on the daily a couple weeks ago, honestly, even probably about a month ago, but we have a nice bearish engulfing here. And this weekly candle also looks really weak, long wick to the upside. So that's what I like to see. And I'm gonna show you guys on the daily what I'm also looking at as well, which looks a little bit interesting, is the fact that even on the daily, a big bearish engulfing sell-off candle below this little support level. And then on the daily time frame, you get another long wick to the upside. And even the 4-hour looks pretty solid, man. 4-hour looks like we already did the break and retest there. A perfect entry would have been there, but now I'm gonna wait for another retest here and potentially I'll get in for some Google puts. Now on SPY, all I really see, I don't plan on really touching SPY like that. SPY has a little bit of a cup and handle here. You guys can see this is the cup, this is the handle, potential break for some new all-time highs, but that's pretty low potential only because there is a pattern here, but patterns can fail. Just because there's a pattern doesn't mean it's gonna hit. Because what I don't like is the fact that we're real close to all-time highs. So are we gonna break all-time highs? There is a pattern perfectly formed for it to break all-time highs, but we gotta be cautious on that. We could easily reject. And usually I do not like taking trades at all-time high levels. Now I'm sure you guys saw that I said buy some Lucid shares here, and the reason why is because these green lines are where I bought some Lucid shares at before, but I bought the real low point right here, guys, and we freaking rocketed. I made over 33% on a return off Lucid shares. Now I do not recommend you guys to do this with me. I did not want to hear anybody say they lost money because they invested with me, but I am going to personally buy some shares here soon. This is not financial advice. I bought some shares here at the same level. We came here at the same level too, but look at this. We broke below, so we have a chance of breaking below. Even earnings reports is coming up here soon next month, so we could easily lose more value if you buy some shares here. But me personally, I am going to buy some, and I'm probably even going to buy some here when we dip below here. I want to have a long-term portfolio on Lucid, so I'm going to buy some Lucid shares here just a little bit, maybe go about like half of what I originally would go in for, and then buy some more later on, guys. So that's what I'm going to do personally. I do not recommend you guys do this with me. Lucid is kind of like a failing company. They have two expensive products. Their vehicles are well over $100,000 to $200,000 for an electric vehicle, when Tesla is the best competitor in electric vehicle markets, and Tesla sells their Teslas for the Model 3, I believe you can get it now for like 20 to 25 grand. That's what they dropped the price to. So Tesla is still owning the electric vehicle market. So I do not recommend you guys to buy this with me. I just will do it and I'll let you guys know how it goes. This is the break and retest strategy. This is by far my favorite strategy in the game. It has been paying me so much lately, and I'll tell you guys how it is. Let me turn off that light. The reason why I like this strategy so much is because if we're already downtrending, then I'm just gonna take a put setup. I hate taking calls at support bounces when we're already downtrending. This is not my favorite type of setup to take calls at the support level. Many people do though, but it doesn't pay out for me because I've seen so many times where I buy calls here, bounces up a little bit, maybe I gain 10-15%, and then we come back down and break low that support. What I like to take now is a break and retest strategy. I like to see if we're already downtrending, let the market do a little bit of a breather at the support level and wait for us to get another break down below, come in for a retest, and if I see a rejection candle, a reversal candle back to a continuation down to the downside, which is something like this, long wicks to the upside, mini candles just consolidate at the most recent support level, which is now a resistance, that's when I like to take puts. I like to enter there, set a price target maybe of this general area for this first price target to be here, sell a couple here, and keep holding for the rest. This simple strategy has been paying me so much money in return, guys. This by far is my favorite strategy. I don't care about taking calls at supports no more. I don't care about trying to catch hammer bounces or reversals. I'm just gonna follow the trend and take a break and retest strategy. A lot of times, even if you're watching the 9 EMA, it'll even follow right here, and this will also be the 9 or 21 EMA as well. perfectly, showing you more of an indication to take a put setup to the downside. About to go live on TikTok, and I gotta erase this caption, but we're about to just answer people's questions. If they have any questions, share the chart, see what people want to talk about as far as like anything really about the trading in general. So we're gonna have that as well, but I hope you guys got the sauce as far as the break and retest strategy. That's probably my favorite strategy, guys, so let's get into it. I haven't edited it up yet, so say hi to the YouTube channel. You guys, in my vlog for today, we got numbers going up 200, so I appreciate you guys all commenting down. Finish our live 4K viewers. Let's fucking go, man. Hella followers. Let's see what the follower count is today, man. Sheesh, we over 4 bands. Let's fucking go. That also means that it's gonna push all my videos. A lot of people, one person mentioned me, so yeah, 83 followers, guys. And guys, a lot of you guys joined. It was insane, man. So appreciate you guys. Now we have 25 people in here, man. 25 people. You guys better join in before it gets real packing, because it's going to start getting packing. We're going to do a live session tomorrow, go over any trade ideas, any plans, anything that anybody has as far as questions. So I got to add everybody's little thing to make them a member. But yeah, guys, appreciate everybody. Thank you guys for joining. Watch today's vlog. That session was real nice. I'm going to start editing up the video. I also went over some trade ideas for tomorrow or this week coming up. Sorry, I keep getting dates mixed up sometimes. But a lot of people freaking joined, so appreciate you guys, and I'm sure you guys are probably watching this vlog as well. So much love to all you guys joining and asking questions, and I'm here to help you guys. So guys, if you guys also want to be a part of this small free community, go on my website, click the link in my bio, and join the free server. Because guys, I'm dropping a sauce, man, every single day. A lot of people join on the website to join in, click the link. So I appreciate everybody joining in, guys. Let's run up these numbers. Let's have a fun trading session every single day with the gang. Let's keep it running, man. Find my earnings report for this week coming up, as well as even my economic reports, the most important ones. I use marketwatch.com, and I just go underneath US economic calendar, and it just tells you in Eastern time zone. So I got to actually edit it up and put different time zones for the Discord, since we all live in different areas. And then on Twitter, I follow Earning Whisperer here, and they post every single week what's dropping. So we got Tesla reporting this week on Wednesday after close, and a couple other very important companies like 3M, GM, Verizon, very interesting stuff. So I'm going to post this all in Discord to let them know what's going on for this week. Like that, all the AM, PST, Pacific Standard Time zones, even highlighted the dates. And so let's post it in the Discord now. Just like that, posted Monday through Thursday and Friday, as well as I even posted economic tab reports. So it's already the evening time. The time is currently 5:15 p.m. and we still got to go to the grocery store, but I'm not going to tag you guys along with that. I'm actually going to wrap up the vlog here, but show you guys my nutrition facts real quick, as well as how we're doing on YouTube, because guys, we just gained 15 more followers. Discord's going crazy, and then we'll show you guys real quick. So now we have 530 subscribers, probably about to hit 600 here real soon, of which I'm very appreciated for that. But today's vlog is going to drop, as well as even the Discord, and the free one is going nicely, guys. We have now 28 members in here, lots of people joining. Guys, do not miss out on this opportunity. I'm over here dropping sauce. I even have an insight channel, just posting some sauce as well, and we're just going to go crazy in this Discord. We're going to go live tomorrow, so do not miss out on that opportunity. It's going to be real fun. We're going to have a lot of fun in this chat, going crazy with a lot of live traders. And on top of that, guys, I'm gonna show you guys my nutritional value, because I barely ate today. I still have 2,000 calories remaining, only 62 grams today of protein, but overall, man, I'm not really tripping. I had just 320 calories for lunch, which really wasn't even that serious. Literally a protein bar and a protein pastry, really not good for me. And then a quick like breakfast sandwich from home. I couldn't really add the nutritional facts. It was a homemade one, but I did weigh out everything that was in there. Don't know all the carbs and fats for it. I just know the protein and the calories. So we still have a lot of calories to eat. So what should I eat today, guys? I don't know. I'm kind of feeling fat today. Maybe I might have to get some McDonald's or something. Just kidding. But I am gonna eat a high calorie noodle. I'm gonna have like 500 calories in a single noodle serving. So that's what I'm probably about to eat. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I dropped a lot of sauce in it. Went live on TikTok with the people. It was real fun. I enjoyed that so much. We had one hater, but I love talking to the haters, because they always just love to hate, man. They'd be like, you don't know what you're talking about. You don't know what this means. You don't know what that means. Explain this, explain. I'm like, bro, I don't need to explain any of that, dog. I don't need to prove myself to anybody. I am who I am, and I know who I am, and I show up every single day, day trading. And if you want to see the journey, bro, hop on my YouTube. That's what I told them. Either way, they still have always something to hate. Like, they'd be like, you don't know what date is. Of course I know what date is, but I don't need to sit there and explain everything, because honestly, the way that I trade, the data doesn't even affect me either way. Whenever I hear these haters hop on live, I mean, sometimes I even have some people be like, you don't even know what an FEG is. Bro, I don't. Now I do, as of lately. But weeks ago, when I hopped on that live session and they were telling me, you don't even know what an FEG is, and fair value gap, balance order, liquidity sweep, I was like, I don't need to know any of that stuff, bro. bro. I trade the way I trade and it's profitable. It is what it is, man. I love going live. It's very fun. We had so much people in there. So I appreciate everybody watching these videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog today. It was a Saturday vlog. Probably not gonna do one tomorrow since it's Sunday, but if I do drop one, it will just be about me talking about sauce, going over the session in live Discord to show them what's going on. And I'll just maybe record that little bits of it. So it'll be a shorter vlog tomorrow, but I will drop some sauce if I do drop anything tomorrow. Appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you guys learned something new today. Break and reset strategies by far my favorite. Give you guys a gym tip as far as how to lose weight fast other than just doing cardio. And I'm trying to give you guys sauce, but telling you guys to join the free Discord, man. Come on. Catch you guys on the next vlog. Have a good rest of you guys this weekend. Have a good Sunday tomorrow. Enjoy yourselves.